It's our first day in Bangkok and we're looking for the Grand Palace now. 25-minute walk, Nancy. What do you think?
Got my proper socks on. Let's see if I make it.
What do you see, dude?
We need to go to the airport, 150.
Yeah, I told you we got screwed. And we made it to the Grand Palace. Only Nancy might be allowed in. She's gonna see that thing by herself.
Wait, is this not true?
We were stopped at the entrance of the Grand Palace and told that we couldn't enter unless we covered our legs. So here we are with our $6 pants that they also sold at the entrance. So good business for them.
Who did not have to buy pants?
Nancy did not have to buy pants. $6. So looks gorgeous, dude. That's your color. It goes with you.
Light blue, I said, no, I have to match.
The Grand Palace is home to the King of Thailand. Unfortunately, I didn't record much here, but got some footage of Ferntutu and Nancy doing their little poses. Oh my God, he's gonna do his lifting thing. That's your pose, dude. Look, what is Nancy doing? What is Nancy's pose gonna do?
Oh,
She's stealing your pose, dude. Tell her she's gotta get her own.
You can get your own phone.
Currently loading a ferry to what, Arun? I know, man. Hop on. Oh my God. So we're about to enter the Temple of the Dawn, and Kelsey is the only one who has to wear the pants. Ferntutu is fine, and I'm fine. Kelsey, what do you think about this?
This is sexist.
Sexism at its best.
I have to wear pants, but they allow men here to be ladyboys.
Unfortunately, I did not record at Wat Arun, the Temple of the Dawn, either. But here's a video of us in a water taxi on the way to Chinatown. We are currently in Chinatown. Chinatown, dude, it's happening here, isn't it? Getting on a long tail boat. Little tour costs $11 for like an hour and a half or so. The canal tour offered a unique perspective of checking out Bangkok. You got to see some of the local homes and the temples built along the way. It's a lot of fish. Nancy, how are you enjoying your first day in Bangkok?
Good.
What is your favorite part so far?
Everything.
What is your worst part so far?
The food, I can't get used to it.
What? You haven't even eaten it yet. You have yet to eat real Thai food. Hello, woman. Here we are the next day on a floating market tour. This tour was awesome. It was kind of like going to the Pulga, except on water. Had a bunch of local vendors selling food, souvenirs, and trinkets, all on the water. Yeah, it looks good, man. Thank you. How's your coconut ice cream, Nancy?
It's delicious. It has
Oh, you're too dark, dude. I gotta line it up here. Oh, there we go, there we go. Let's see your features.
Excellent.
And here's a brave Ferntutu taking pictures with a very large python.
One man. Go. Yeah, 1, 2, get.
After the floating market, we went to the iconic Maeklong train market. This market is just like other markets selling fresh fruit and produce with a twist. The train passes right through the market, and at the last second, all the vendors quickly remove their goods, their tarps, as the train again passes right down the middle. It's pretty cool. Oh.
Which way the train gonna come? This way?
Yeah, it's gonna run right through here.
How they going to the room?
Dude, you're gonna see all that stuff unfold, I'm telling you.
Where are we supposed to go?
So the train's gonna be running in a few minutes. People are already starting to pack up their stuff. Move it to the side.
Where would they put it back?
Yeah, I can't really understand what they're saying, obviously, but I'm pretty sure they're telling them, no, you can't sit here. All right, train is coming through. Got two romantics over there. Want to take a nice picture in front of the train, so they're gonna go to the very end. Here it comes. Oh, echamos frente two. ¿Qué hace? Check it out, dude. Back to normal operations. Khasan Road. Kelsey, tell us a little bit about this place.
I don't know nothing about this place. All I know is that it's supposed to be like 6th Street.
It's nice and busy. No, thanks, man. Oh, already done city tour. Thank you. The iconic Khasan Road is a backpacker's paradise with bars, street food, and all kinds of vendors lined up, making it a great place to visit. I don't die.
I don't die.
This too?
It. Yes.
Tripas.
Inform na ni. Food that eat that food. Oh, eat the hooks. Eat over. Yes. I will.
Taste it. Taste it. Give some to your dad. Taste it, and you're gonna tell me what it tastes like. It's like chicharroncitos.
Chicharrones.
Yeah, chicharroncitos. It's good, right? Last bite of the scorpion. Not that bad. 1 to 5. 2. Solid 2.
A 2?
What's that?
What do you want, babe? Chocolate. What else? Strawberry?
No, that's it. Yeah, no peanuts.
You want nuts?
No.
No. I don't know how much this is.
How much is it?
I think that's 10.
We need 1 more 5.
Is it coconut?
Thank you. Oh, here it is. We finally got the water, baby. It's our 2nd day in Bangkok, and we finally got the rain. We found a nice little spot to chill out at. Kelsey wants to go back to the hotel and go to sleep since it's past bedtime. No, Kelsey, we're gonna stay up and party all night. After this, we're gonna go bar hopping.
Or not?
Yep. We're at Khasan Road right now, but it's not the usual hip and hot place. Not too busy. There's a lot of rain coming through. So just a few brave souls with jackets on and some without. There are them scorpions.